Everyone, today we'll try to discuss about overriding the feature PCDs at the DSC level. Okay, so in the previous video, we have created a PCD called a PCD random under the emulator package here, right? PCD random, and by default we have initialized it to 0. Okay, and this feature PCD we used to access in the autoscan PI, and whenever that PCD is enabled, so then we used to cause the CPU dead loop, right? So now in the DEC level, by default it is disabled, right? So now how to enable the same PCD at the DSC level, right? So I will copy that PCD name. I will go to the DSC file, and here we have the feature PCD section, and here I will enable it to true. Okay. So now at the DEC level, PCD is disabled. At the DSC level, we are enabling it. So which means we are overriding that default value of a false with a value true. Okay, so now let's build it. EDK setup, build. Yep. So now we will run this. I'll go to build, emulator package, debug, x64, sorry, x64, and then winhost. So now we can see the boot is halted at this autoscan PI loaded. So this is where our CPU dead loop got hit, right? So this proves that the default value is false. That value is overridden with a value true. If you go to our autogen.h, we can see the value is set to true. Okay, so now in the next video, we will pick another module where we will disable per module by keeping the default as true. So that's it for today. Thank you.